Let's begin with the first question. From where do we get the different forms of energy? Food, thermal power, petrol, kerosene. Option A. Hydroelectric power, gas, diesel. Option B. Option A and B is option C. None of these is option D. So we get energy from both option A and B. So therefore, the correct answer would be option C. Okay. Next question. A good source of energy is one which would do a large amount of work per unit volume or mass, easily accessible, easy to store and transport, and eco-friendly. That's true. So these are all the characteristics of a good source of energy. That is, it should produce large amount of heat, and it should be easily accessible, it should be easy to store and transport, and eco-friendly. That means no pollution. Yes, that's right. So it's true. Option A. Third question. A good fuel is one which has high calorific value and produces less smoke on burning. That's true. It should produce more heat, that means high calorific value, and less smoke, that means less pollution. That's right. Option A is true. That's the correct answer. What is the advantage of using biogas? Option A, it's clean and renewable sources of energy. Option B, it reduces soil and water pollution. Option C, A and B. Option D, none of these. None of the above. So what is the advantage of using biogas? It's clean, renewable, it reduces soil and water pollution. So it must be option C, both A and B. That's the correct answer. State true or false. Biogas is considered as an ideal fuel for domestic use because biogas burns without smoke and hence does not cause air pollution. That's right. Because it burns without smoke and no pollution. So therefore, that's right. Biogas is an ideal fuel for domestic use. That's true. Can biogas be used in place of fossil fuels? Yes. The power generated in a windmill depends on the height of the tower? No. Depends on wind velocity? Yes. Can be increased by planting tall trees close to the tower? No. None of these. Option B is the correct answer. Wind velocity, depending upon that, the power will be generated in the windmill. Eighth question. From the following, which is the advantage of wind energy? Option A, it is a renewable source of energy. Option B, it is environment friendly. Option C, option A and B. Option D, none of the above. Advantages, it's a renewable source of energy, as well it is environment friendly. So both option A and B. That's right. From the following, which is the disadvantage of wind energy? They produce noise pollution. Yes. The installation of the wind turbine is expensive. That's also right. So option A and B is the correct answer. Name two energy sources that you would consider to be renewable. Sun and wind, coal and wood. Renewable means that can be renewed. So sun and wind will be the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Whereas coal and wood, we cannot renew it back. Once used, it is exhausted. Fine. It is depleted. Sources of energy. 11th question. Give the name of the two energy sources that you would consider it to be exhaustible. Just now we explained coal and petrol will be exhaustible. Which of the following is not an example of biomass energy source? Biomass includes wood, Gobar gas, coal. So which of the following is not an example of biomass energy sources? That means option C is not an example of biomass energy source. That is the correct answer. 13th question. What is the quality of ideal source of energy? It should be economical, correct? It should be capable of giving an adequate amount of useful energy. Yes, option A and B. That's right. It is both option A and B. State any reason to justify the LPG is considered as an ideal fuel. An ideal fuel should have high calorific value. Yes, that's right. Easy to store. Yes. Readily available. Yes. All of the above. So option D will be the correct answer. All of the above. List two nutrients that the slurry left behind in the biogas plant contain. They contain nitrogen and phosphorus. That's the correct answer. State true or false. Biogas is produced from cow dung. Yes. In the waste water treatment plant. Yes. That's why it is called gobar gas. True. List two practical uses of biogas in rural areas. Biogas is used as a fuel for cooking food. That's right. Spent dung slurry is used as a manure in fields. Yes. So these are the two practical uses of the biogas in rural areas. So it must be option C, both A and B. Biogas is formed in the presence of air. No. Presence of water only. No. Absence of air only. No. Presence of water and absence of air. That's right. Option D is the correct answer. To make slurry, we need water. And in the absence of air, methane gas will be produced. That is, biogas will be produced. Option D is the correct answer. 19th question. Which of the following is the ultimate source of energy? Water, sun, fossil fuels, uranium. Sun is the correct answer. Ultimate source of energy. Which of the following gas is the main constituent of natural gas? The constituent of natural gas: methane, ethane, propane, butane. Methane is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. The major constituent of natural gas is methane. Unit of calorific value of substance is joule per kg, joule, joule per meter, none of these. Which is the correct answer? Joule per kg. That's right, because heat per mass. Unit of heat is joule. Unit of mass is kg. So joule per kg. We can express either in joule per kg or kilojoule per gram. Which is the most popular kitchen fuel in India? LPG, kerosene, petrol, diesel. Nowadays we use liquefied petroleum gas. That is LPG. Option A is the correct answer. Which energy source is the largest source used in India? CNG, coal, FCL, none of these. We use coal. Option B is the correct answer. Quality of fuel is measured by combustion, calorific value, initial value, and none of these. It is calorific value. It's given as caloric value. It is calorific value. Okay, fine. Next. Wood is a primary fuel, secondary fuel, processed fuel, none of these. It's a primary fuel which was traditionally used. Conventional sources of energy. Popular name of biogas is gobar gas, marsh gas, methane, ethane. Gobar gas is the correct answer, which we have already discussed. An ideal source of energy should have high calorific value, easily transportable, easily accessible. All of these. All of these would be correct. Which of the following problem is associated with burning of coal? carbon dioxide emission, acid rain, ash with toxic metal, all of these. So by burning coal, we get all the three. So all of these is the correct answer. Carbon dioxide emission, acid rain, ash with toxic metal. That's right. Which of the following organism produce biogas from cow dung? Slurry in the biogas plant. Actually, it must be cow dung slurry. Okay. The organism is anaerobic bacteria. Option B is the correct answer. In the absence of air, that means anaerobic bacteria. Power plant are located in desert area, plain area, hilly terrain. None of these. Hilly terrain would be the correct answer. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but still everybody discuss about the energy crisis because energy transform into different form continuously. Okay, usable form of energy is dissipated to the surrounding in less usable forms. Okay, energy is consumed and cannot be used again. All of these, because it will be transformed continuously and usable will be converted to less usable forms, and once consumed it cannot be used again. So it must be all of these. State true or false. Biogas is considered as ideal fuel for domestic use because biogas burns without smoke and hence does not cause air pollution. That's right. That's true. A source of energy is none which can produce adequate amount of energy in convenient form over a long period of time. This is the definition of sources of energy. That's right. True. Non-renewable source of energy are known as exhaustible sources of energy. Non-renewable. That means which cannot be renewed. Renewable sources of energy, we call it as exhaustible or non-exhaustible. Non-renewable is said to be exhaustible sources of energy. What is meant by non-renewable sources of energy? That cannot be renewed. That means coal and petroleum. They are said to be exhaustible. That's right. True. Non-renewable sources of energy are known as conventional sources of energy. That's right. Non-renewable energies are known as conventional, whereas renewable energy is known as non-conventional. Those sources of energy which are being produced continuously in nature and are inexhaustible are called renewable sources of energy. That's right. True. The materials which are burnt to produce heat energy are known as fuels. That's right. True. Fuel is burnt to get which kind of energy? Heat energy. Option A is the correct answer. Not electricity, sound, none of these. Option A is the correct answer. The minimum temperature to which a fuel must be heated so that it may catch fire and starts burning is known as ignition temperature. That's right. This is the definition of ignition temperature. A good source of energy should have moderate ignition temperature. An ideal fuel should be easy to handle, safe to transport and convenient to store. That's right. True. The amount of heat produced by burning a unit mass of a fuel completely is known as calorific value. Option A is the correct answer. Not fuel, not coal, not LPG. It's called calorific value. Write the full form of CNG. Option A, compressed neutral gas. Option B, compressed natural gas. Option C, carbon natural gas. And option D is none of these. Option B is the correct answer. Compressed natural gas. What should be the minimum wind speed for the satisfactory working of wind-powered electric generator in kilometer per hour? 10, 12, 15 or 18? It must be 15 kilometer per hour. Name the engine which decomposes animal dung into biogas. Geothermal energy, no. Charcoal, no. Methane, no. Anaerobic bacteria. That's right. Option D, anaerobic bacteria will convert animal dung into biogas. Which component of biogas is used as a fuel? Geothermal energy, charcoal, methane, anaerobic bacteria. Which component of biogas is used as a fuel? Methane. This is a component of biogas. Methane is the component of biogas that is used as a fuel. Biogas consists of methane, that's 70% of methane, carbon dioxide, dash and hydrogen sulfide. Option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, iron. Option D, hydrogen. So it must be option D, hydrogen. Hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide. Name the clean fuel which can be obtained from cow dung. Water? No. Biogas? Yes, that's a fuel. Option C, fire. Option D, charcoal. No. Option B is the correct answer, biogas or gobar gas. A good fuel is one which possesses high calorific value and low ignition temperature, high calorific value and high ignition temperature, high calorific value and moderate ignition temperature, low calorific value and moderate ignition temperature. Option C is the correct answer, which I have already discussed, high calorific value and moderate ignition temperature. Which of the following is more environmentally friendly? Burning of coal? No, it produces smoke. Burning of diesel also produces smoke. Burning of wood also produces smoke. Burning of charcoal doesn't produce smoke. So therefore it is less pollution. Okay, so therefore burning of coal is the correct answer. It's environmental friendly because less smoke is produced. What does the law of conservation of energy state? A law of conservation of energy state that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can be transformed from one form to another. Let us see the option. Energy can be destroyed but never be created. Wrong. No form of energy exists in the universe. Wrong. Energy can be created but never destroyed. Wrong. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. That's right. Option D is the correct answer. Question number 51. Why is the world facing energy crisis nowadays? Because energy has been destroyed, energy is depleted on earth, energy has been converted from usable forms to unusable forms. Energy in the universe has decreased. Option C is the correct answer. We have used the energy and it has become unusable forms after been used. Option C is the correct answer. What is the source of energy? A system working for human beings for a very short period of time. No. System working infinitely without results. System which produces energy only for internal human body system. Oh god. No. A system which provides energy at a steady rate for long period of time. That's right. A system which produces energy at a steady rate for long period of time. This is the definition of sources of energy. Option D is the correct answer. Conventional sources of energy are also called non-renewable sources of energy. So that is in the option D. Conventional, non-renewable. Non-conventional, renewable. So keep that in your mind. How is biogas obtained? Decomposition of animal waste in the absence of oxygen, decomposition of animal waste in the presence of oxygen, decomposition of animal waste in the absence of carbon dioxide, decomposition of animal waste in the presence of nitrogen. No, it is decomposition of animal waste in the absence of oxygen. That's right. So option A is the correct answer. Why is slurry used in manures? It is rich in oxygen, it is rich in nitrogen, It has lot of waste material. It is an efficient fuel. It is rich in nitrogen. That's why it is used as manure. Nitrogen and phosphorus. In which part of biogas plant is biogas stored? Biogas is stored in gas tank, inlet chamber, mixing tank, digester tank. It's stored in gas tank only. Option A is the correct answer. The final usable biogas is formed in which tank? Usable biogas is formed in which tank? Digester tank, gas tank, mixing tank, overflow tank. It is produced in digester tank. So from where it enters into gas tank. That is dome shaped end. Biogas is also called a dash fuel, polluting fuel, dirty fuel, clean fuel, or smoky fuel. It's a clean fuel. That's right. Option C is the correct answer. Slurry is rich in nitrogen and carbon, nitrogen and phosphorus, phosphorus and calcium, calcium and magnesium. Option C is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay, which we have already discussed. Which country is called the country of winds? United Kingdom, Spain, Denmark, and Italy. So it's option C, Denmark. Which of these is a consequence of constructing a nuclear power plant? Disturbed ecological balance, increased radioactivity in environment, extinction of animals, greenhouse effect. So nuclear power plant means radiation. So therefore it is increased radioactivity in environment. Option B is the correct answer. Which of these is the consequence of constructing hydropower plant? Hydropower plant, disturbed ecological balance, floods, droughts, and acid rain. No. So option A is the correct answer. Disturbed ecological balance. That's right. This is the disadvantage of constructing hydropower plant. Which of these is a consequence of obtaining fired wood? Soil erosion, greenhouse effect, extinction of animals, acid rain. So it's fired wood. So on cutting the wood, what happens? Soil erosion takes place. So therefore option A is the correct answer. Cutting out trees. Which of these is a consequence of burning fossil fuels? Acid rain, greenhouse effect, extinction of animals, both A and B. It is both A and B. Acid rain and greenhouse effect of burning fossil fuels. Hydrogen can be used as a rocket fuel, normal fuel, both as rocket fuel and normal fuel, none of the above. It's used as a rocket fuel because it's clean fuel. Biogas is a renewable source of energy. Biomass, yes, it's a renewable source of energy. That's true. In this video, I have discussed various objective type questions on good sources of energy, renewable and non-renewable sources of energy, hydel energy, wind energy, and biomass, and finally, environmental consequences. If you like the video, kindly click the like button and subscribe my channel to get the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video.